up, y'all? So don't mind my makeup, I just rubbed my eyes because I forgot I had to film this. So basically I'm gonna be showing you guys how to take down these faux locks before you ask, because you see, I'm already like hearing your thoughts before you even think them. You know what I'm saying? That's how like close we are. That's how deeply connected we are. That's why you should subscribe. If you really want to experience this deep friendship, you should also like this video and share it and comment down below. So the rest of my hair is out, which is why I look like this. So basically I have double faux locks going on. Like I have regular faux locks, and then I showed you guys how I revamped it. It's actually really simple, very easy, and self-explanatory. But I'm still going to explain because I just feel like talking. I'm in a talking mood. Don't ask me why. So I apologize that you have to sit through this video and hear me yapping. But I just want to talk, and you guys are my friends, therefore you are obligated to listen. Kind of. So what you're going to need is scissors, a rat tail comb, or a pit comb. I grew up calling it a pit comb. Apparently people say I was wrong for doing that, but I call it a pit comb. Y'all can call it a rat tail comb. I make a conscious effort in my videos to call it a rat tail comb, but again, I'm in a talking mood, and when I'm in a talking mood, I'm just going to talk how I usually talk, okay? You're also going to need some kind of product, but not any product, duh, because you need to get Alpha Natural Hydrating Cream, and you should totally get it. It's a really good cream. Order it online at alphanaturalcosmetics.com. And you're going to need a plastic bag, because you're going to need a bag to carry all of the hair that you're going to be throwing away. I mean, you don't have to, but you're just going to give yourself a lot of work, like trying to sweep that up after. Oh, and you'll also be needing, you're going to need a broom and a dustpan, which is very necessary because I refuse to raise you in a dirty way and have you loosen out your hair and not have this. So the thing about short faux locks is that they're short, and your hair might be really close to the end. So you need to be like super careful not to cut your hair, because if you cut your hair, that's just sad. And then I can't grow it back for you. So listen to the words that I say. So you're going to take your faux lock and you're going to estimate where your natural hair is. Or what you could do is just play it safe and be smart enough to make your faux lock and below your natural hair, so you know that when you cut it to the tip, I know right now I'm not cutting my natural hair. I'm seeing black inside. I only use blonde hair. Why am I seeing black? Guys, I swear if I cut my hair, you know the funny thing about this is, I wish I was joking right now, but okay, it's not my hair. It's not. No, it's just a burn. It's because I used the fire to burn it, so it turned black. I think. I'm pretty sure. Okay, that was a close call. Anyway, let's continue. So you're gonna snip the end, and then naturally, look what's gonna start happening. Look at that. Whoa! It starts unraveling. Crazy, right? This is where this comes in. This is a hydrating hair cream, and it has slippery elm and aloe vera. So we're gonna focus on slippery elm, and we're gonna just zoom in on the keyword slippery. Get it? We need this to slip, and this has slippery elm in it. Therefore, it must be helpful. Pump it into our hand. I like to put it at the root first, just to facilitate the sliding off process. Honestly, I just play around with it because some of them come out super easy, and some of them, like this one, is giving me a little bit like more work to do. I actually can't believe I'm appearing on camera this crazy. Like, I'm allowing you guys to see me like this. This is embarrassing, but it's all for the people. I do it for my fan. That's my fan. Don't you guys just like Canon? I love his music. Why is this one giving me so much difficulty? You're trying to embarrass me on camera. I swear I just did a whole bunch and none of them were this difficult. I know that's hard to believe, but I swear this thing is fronting for the camera right now. Wow, this is embarrassing. Now no one's gonna believe me. I swear, why is this one so difficult? I promise you guys, when I do the other ones, it's not gonna be this complicated. So yeah, you just play with it until it unravels. And there you go. I don't know why that one was so difficult. But anyway, now you have to deal with the other lock you had underneath. And I kind of just pull at it to see where it's at, what's twisting into what. And it just slides out like that. I can't remember which method I used for this one. So now we're at this part where it's just my hair and the elastic. And to remove the elastic, again, we're going to be taking some of our smooth hydrating cream that has slippery elm in it, which is going to help this elastic just slip right off with the help of my pick comb or rat tail comb. So I'm just going to put that there towards my root, and then, wow, I can't see anything. Okay, yeah, sorry guys, I have to get closer to my mirror, but I just slipped this underneath the elastic, which was really easy because of the cream, and then I made sure to put it on the rest of my hair, so it's just going to slide right off. See how easy that was? No damage. No, none of my hair is in this. So for all you guys who are like freaking out about elastics, look at that. No damage, nothing came out. We're good. Hallelujah. Alright, so let's do the next one. I swear this one better be easy. You see, that's how easy it was supposed to be. Just like that, it comes out. Now we're gonna just take out the second lock. Okay, that's the second one. I'm gonna take some more of this. You always gotta verify that it's extensions before you cut off your one hair. And all my hair is still intact. So this one. Oh, okay, that was easy. Oh, this one had just like my natural hair in it. That was so easy. Okay. I didn't burn the end on this one because I knew I was taking it out, so I apologize. That's why it looks so ratchet, but the other ends I burned. Like you see, I burned this end. I think this is when I braided. I did this one the traditional way. See how much longer the process is if you do it like the traditional full off way? You have to do all of this to get your hair out. Oops, I forgot to put in the product. You see, when I didn't put in the product, it's stuck. Just roll it on there. There you go. 2 more and be done. And that is it, guys. Oh, I almost forgot. The last step is to clean. Sweep your house. Clean your room. Do not go to sleep in this mess. I will just not have it. I won't have it. I won't have it. This is gonna happen, but the thing is, it's gonna happen to your vacuum anyway, except with your vacuum, it's probably gonna choke and die. With the broom, you just have to get down and dirty. Don't play you're too good for this, okay? I know you've done it before. I know you put your hand in the garbage before to pick up your phone or whatever that fell in it. It's not that bad. Just grab the hair off, take the same plastic bag and just place it in the plastic bag, and look, my hand isn't falling off. We're good. I'm not filled with disease. It's just hair, and you're done. That was pretty much me just showing you how I take down my faux locks. I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope it was helpful in some kind of way. Sorry that I was yabbering so much today. It was just, I don't know, it's just one of those days. Anyway, I still can't believe I let you guys see me so crazy, but it's okay. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you thumbs it up. Even if you didn't enjoy it, just make sure you thumbs it up. Comment down below. Share this video with the same people that you shared my previous video, right? My 2 faux locks videos. Make sure you share this video too, so that they can see how to take it down. And that's just how you could just be a really good help to them. Look at you being a better person, helping people and stuff. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I actually have no idea what I'm going to do for my next video, which is really sad. So, and it's kind of scary, so please let me know what video to do next. I want to make sure I post weekly videos. I know I missed last week. I apologize for that. Hopefully by the time I post this video, you guys would have a flood of ideas, and I will see you guys when I do my next style. So this should be exciting, and I look forward to it. I look forward to seeing you guys again. So peace, love, and all that good stuff. I'm gonna catch y'all in my next video. Peace.